a lot of people ask me on TikTok how I grade so smoothly. I don't actually think I'm that good, but you know, so I thought I might make a video on it just to help anyone out there who's just trying to pick it up. So when I first started, I used basically a certain method where you start with the dipper arm up off the ground and then start bringing it in slowly, and then as you're coming down you equalise that with your boom. So before you've hit the ground you've already got a smooth transition between the two, because you just try to start on the ground like most people do, or like some people can do it, but it's very hard for someone starting off to just nail a perfect pass every single stroke that they do, because you have to time your movements just spot on. But if you start with your cutting edge off the ground like this, and then equalise on your way down, you'll pull a level grade most of the time. And if you get better and better at it, you can almost start without having the cutting edge off the ground. But it's especially good for if you were trying to match grade, because as you're coming down you can sort of match the existing grade of the ground if you're trying, especially if you're trying to grade or level something out. But it's just the way that I find easiest, because it works with any machine. It's not just certain machines, stuff like that. The same principle will work on any machine that you jump in, big or small. It's just about equalising the flow of the hydraulics and finding the sweet spot of the machine, and the rest is pretty self-explanatory once you find that spot. But yeah, so that's basically it. But another trick is a lot of people ask, so why do you slew when you grade? And there's about 10 different reasons why. But basically, it for some reason just smoothens out the movement of the machine, and you're kind of cutting forward and across a grade as well. So if you think about a chessboard, you're kind of leveling not just one way, so to say. It also allows a cutting edge to slice the material instead of just cutting it like it slices. I don't know how else to put it, but basically it just does a lot of things. I probably can't think of them all off the top of my head, but you can pull a grade across if you need.